Hey guys, welcome to activity number 20. For this assignment, you are going to be making a Bitmoji classroom. So basically, oh, I just lied. I meant a Bitmoji bedroom. I'm the one that makes the Bitmoji classroom. You're going to make a Bitmoji bedroom. Basically, we're going to use some of the skills that you learned in Word, and you're going to create something like this down here, which is my Bitmoji classroom. And you're going to include a bunch of different items, including a Bitmoji of either yourself or one that looks like you into your bedroom. So here we go. So we're going to start off, we're going to open up Word, and the first thing we're going to do is we are going to resize your page. So go ahead and open up Word. All right, so let's resize your page. To resize your page, you're going to want to go to Layout right here, and then you are going to go to Size right here. I'm going to recommend that you just come down here to more paper sizes. You could search for all these. No, let's go to more paper sizes. And then I want you to make, well, I'll just show you. Go ahead and bring the width down. You can watch this image right here. Bring the width down a little bit, maybe to like, I don't know, 7.5. And then the height, I want you to bring that down as well. So you kind of have more of like a landscaped rectangle. So I'd say, why don't you do like about 7.5 for the width and 5 for the height. And then once you hit OK, you should see your page size there. Now, before you move on to step 3, I want you to Google Bitmoji bedroom. That way you can get some ideas of some of the different things that you can include in your Bitmoji bedroom. So as soon as you Google that and you go to images, a lot of these that come up are going to be Bitmoji classrooms, but you still might be able to get some ideas of what you want to include in your Bitmoji bedroom. So like, for example, I like this one here. This one's pretty cool too. It's a bedroom. These are, yeah, a lot of these are bedrooms. So take a few minutes, pause me, look around at some of the different things you might want to include into your Bitmoji bedroom, and then come back and I'm going to show you how to change the background of your paper, which will be the wall of your bedroom. All right, the third thing we're going to do here is we are going to choose the background for our Bitmoji room, which will be the wall to your room. But there's different ways that you can do this. Let's take a look. All right, so from Word, you are going to go to Design, and then you're going to come all the way over here to Page Color. From here, you already know how to do some of this stuff. You can choose a solid color if you want. You can go to more colors where you can choose a solid color from here. You can hit custom and kind of jump around here. If you look down here, this will show you the colors that you're going to pick. Or let me go back here real quick. Or you can come up here to where it says fill effects, and this is where you have some different options. We already learned how to do the gradient earlier this year, but here is where you can choose if you would like to do a gradient. You have all kinds of options here depending on which gradient you choose. You can also do a texture, which you can scroll here and pick a texture for the walls of your room, or you can pick a pattern. With the pattern, you can even do it a little bit more customizing of that. If you pick, so like instead of black, maybe you want like a blue and white, or you could do like a blue and a yellow. So, and then you could pick which different pattern you wanted. So those are some options you have, but you could also, if you wanted to, let's say maybe they don't have enough textures here for you and you want to check out some other ones, you could also go to Chrome and you could type in texture and go to images, and then you'll find a whole ton of different textures you can use. So you can scroll there. You can also filter them. So this gives you different options of maybe you want texture that looks more metallic. So you could click that metal one. Or let's say I don't want that anymore. I can deselect it. You can select a wall. Up to you. But let's say you find the one you want. Let's say I like this brick for some reason. In order to get that into my Word document, I first have to save it. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to hit Save Image As. And then in this case, because I'm not going to need this after the one time that I use it. So when I know I'm just going to turn around and delete something, I'll put it on my desktop. And then in this case, I just realized it's called download. Again, I'm not going to need this again. So I'm not really worried about where I'm saving it or what I'm titling it, because I'm just going to turn around and delete it because I don't want it taking up space on my computer. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Now, when you go into your Word document, you would hit picture. And here's where you would hit select picture. And then it's a file from your computer. And like I said, we save it on our desktop. There it is. And then I'm going to click it and hit insert and then hit OK. And then you can see that that now is the background to my Bitmoji bedroom. That'll be the wall. Okay, that is it for this one, I believe. Yes. All right. I will see you on the next slide.